Hi, I'm Dr. Bryan Banh with Hype Sports Medicine here in Houston, Texas, and I've been a practicing chiropractor for 9 years. The reason why I became a chiropractor is to help people feel better while giving them an alternative to medication and surgery. On your initial visit with me, we'll start with a neurological exam to understand if you have any motor or sensory deficits. Then we'll move into a spinal examination to analyze your alignment and posture. Finally, we'll perform a strength test to determine any weaknesses or compensation patterns. Based on our exam findings, I'll design a treatment plan that's unique for you. You can expect soft tissue manipulation, chiropractic adjustment, and a strength and conditioning program. My goal is to educate you on how to keep your body performing at an optimal level, whether you're a weekend warrior or an elite level athlete. If you'd like to schedule an appointment with me, contact us at Hype Sports Medicine at 832-899-5856 or shoot me a message on Instagram at BryanBond_DC. I hope to see you soon.